Persistent hiccups are ongoing spasms that last longer than 2 days. A case of chronic hiccups can last months. The Guinness Book of World Records reports that a man named Charles Osborne had hiccups for 68 years. He still holds the record. Osborne believed that his hiccups started after a fall damaged a small blood vessel in his brain. He never found a home remedy or trick that could effectively stop them, though they spontaneously stopped about a year before he died. While Osborne's record is an outlier, many medical conditions and medications have been shown to increase the risk of developing ongoing hiccups, which can be distressing and disruptive.